Hello everyone, my name is Sunday Trulove. Welcome to my channel Smart Right Network. Please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell notification button so that you get a notification, like, share and comment. Today we are going to be making a video on how to set up two-factor authentication for your WordPress website. Recently, authentication codes have become necessary as security becomes paramount in this age of technology. A lot of attacks are happening on websites, and because of this, authentication and extra securities are required to keep our websites and accounts secure. What is a two-factor authentication? According to Google, Wikipedia, two-factor authentication is an electronic authentication method in which a user is granted access to a website or an application only after successfully presenting two or more pieces of evidence to an authentication mechanism. So, after inputting your password when you want to log into an account, whenever you are required to provide extra evidence in form of a security code, a security question that needs to be answered, and so on and so forth, that is a multi-factor or a two-factor authentication that is being carried out. Today, we are going to see how to install two-factor authentication for a WordPress website. First of all, we have to log in to our Test Central application. This is our WordPress dashboard. In order to set up two-factor authentication for your WordPress dashboard, you have to first of all go to plugins, click on add new plugin, then you look for a plugin by the name two-factor. Mind you, there are hundreds of plugins that can actually do this particular job, but we are going to be using two-factor because two-factor is very easy to set up as well as free of charge. So this is two-factor. We're going to download, install and activate it. When you're done with the installation, you come back to installed plugins and confirm that two-factor has been installed, and as you can see, two-factor here has been installed. So what you simply do is you go to your users where you see the list of people or users who are using your website. In this case, I have an admin and one user, so I'll simply go to edit this user, and this is the two-factor options. This user is already enabled for two-factor authentication. In order to confirm what we're doing, let us disable this user. Let's disable this user and then click on update user. So this user have been disabled. We are going to log out and try to log in this user and see if they will require an authentication. Let us log in that user and see if they require an authentication. As you can see here, this user was logged in expressly without requiring an authentication. So let us log out this user and go back to our WordPress dashboard and go back to users. We are going, this time around, we are going to activate the two-factor authentication for this user. Let us activate it. Just enabled it. Email authentication codes will be sent to the user, then we'll click on update user. We're going to log out again as admin and then log in as user. Ladies and gentlemen, this user now requires an authentication code or a verification code before they can access their account. The user is logged in. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a very simple way you can add authentication code into your WordPress website. Simple and easy, but mind you, there are other ways in which you can do this. In our next video, we are going to look at the other way we can use the two-factor plugin to set up authentication code for your WordPress website. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell notification icon so that you can receive a notification each time we upload a new video, and like, share and comment on this video.